here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you laughter yoga. Now, laughter is something, in laughter yoga, we are going to do it as an exercise, not because of jokes or anything. So all I need is your willingness to laugh. And you can fake it till you make it. First fake it, and then naturally it'll come, because laughter is the best medicine. It is great, and research has been done that laughter can change your brain chemistry. It can give rise to endorphin levels. So that's a good feeling, and then it's also antidepressant, and it's a painkiller. It's good for the heart, and you name it. It's good for this, that, everything. So I started it in last 11 years only, because I myself was bipolar. I had bipolar after I came here for certain reasons. And this has helped me so much that I'm so blessed to be depressed, because I am helping others with depression, and I'm also speaking about it so I don't have the stigma, and I want to help people to understand that mental illness is the same as physical illness. Okay? So now we'll do the laughter yoga. So it's like an exercise. So don't think, I'm not going to say jokes, no comedy. I'm just going to make you do as an exercise, just like you do the weights or you swim. So we are going to laugh for no reason at all. But why are we doing this? People tell me we laugh all the time, but this laughter, you get the benefits only if it's intense, and it has to be for a longer period of time. Usually we laugh here or there, that won't give you the health benefits. So what I do is I make people laugh for at least 45 minutes, and in between we breathe to give a relaxation. Okay? So to start with it, let's clap our hands and say the word ho ho, ha ha ha, ho ho, ha ha ha, ho ho, ha ha. Okay, so this is with the acupressure points. There's everything scientific about it. There are no jokes or anything. Okay, now we'll do some exercises which are fun. You don't need the break. So take your mind out of the window and just relax, because the mind is thinking and thinking and thinking. So relaxation to the mind, and laugh from the body. And even if you laugh from the body, it gives you the same benefits. Okay? So the first exercise is called the greeting exercise. So can you greet me? Yeah. So shake hands with your partners and say ha ha ha. The longer you breathe, it's exhaling longer. You're exhaling longer. Come on. Is that an exercise? Very good, very good, very good. Now we'll do aloha laughter. All names are there. So aloha is a greeting in Hawaii. So raise your hands nice and up and say aloha. And when I say ha, you'll go down and laugh for no reason. Let's go. Longer. Because you are exhaling. Usually we don't breathe properly because we are breathing very shallow. So this is breathing from the belly, and you take out all the toxins and all that. So it's just so more of things. Then you're just going to raise your hands and breathe. Just raise your hands and breathe from the belly. And close your eyes now. Close your eyes. When you close your eyes, go within. Because that joy is inside us. As children, we laugh 300 times, but now we only laugh 15 times. So we have to laugh for no reason, even at home. And those who are interested, I'll teach you later how to laugh at home. So just take a deep breath. Close your eyes. And breathe out. Out. Relax. Breathe out. Lower your hands. Lower your hands. Breathe in. Shut your eyes. Forget the world. Forget your problems. But still laugh, and learn to laugh no matter what. Even with problems, we can laugh because we are laughing as an exercise. Even people who have diseases, we make them laugh, especially cancer patients. I've done it for them. And they are laughing not for a joke or something. We're not laughing at their sickness, but we are laughing as an exercise. Okay? So again, ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Let's go. Clap, clap. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. So you all have been very good children. So let's do very good. Very good. So if we are like children, we'll be happier. I'm not saying childish, we should be childlike. We are innocent. If you do that, you'll be happy forever. So I hope you all laugh all the time and hope all of you are happy as ever. Because